we look at our web page, there's a number of areas that need to appear on every single page of the site. In fact, the only thing that's going to change is our main div. To make our code easy to manage, we can take everything in the head tag and cut it, then make a new file, paste it in, and go save, and save it as head.php, making sure that you copy your file name. Then we can go back into our index, open and close a PHP tag, and include our head.php. And if you save your work and reload the page, it should look exactly as it did before. We can continue the process, and if you're using Visual Studio Code, cancel out your divs to make it easier to see what's going on. Our next step is to take our banner, logo, and all of our navigation and cut it, make a new file, paste in the code, save it as bannernav.php. Just like before, we can use our PHP brackets and include that code at the top of our main div. And each time you do this, you do want to reload your page to make sure that nothing has been broken. Next, I'm going to take everything inside my main div and cut it, save it as home PHP. Next time, instead of doing a simple include, we're going to do something a little bit more clever. Open and close a PHP tag, giving yourself some space in between. I'm going to set up an else if block. Structure for our if is if with a condition, and then curly brackets which say what should happen if the condition is true. When we create links to our site, we can set up and say which page needs to be inserted. If we don't say what page is, then it's not a set $request page, and we can include our home.php. We then need an else and two curly brackets. And if the page has been set, we can use a regular expression to check for valid characters. Note that needs to be in speech marks, followed by a comma, and then another set of speech marks, followed by a comma, and then our request for the page. We can then go ahead and include the page. And there's what my code now looks like. Please pause this video and make sure that your comments match mine. I can neaten my code up by removing unwanted spaces. And finally, we can grab our footer, cut it, paste it into a new file and call it footer.php, and then put in a footer include. Hopefully, if you reload your page, it has survived the process and nothing has been broken. In the next video, we'll set up our featured page and you'll get an understanding of how our navigation is going to work.